Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to send bulk WhatsApp messages. So let's get started real quick. For that reason, first of all, go to the Google Chrome web browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Search for it and go to the Chrome Web Store. And from here on the search bar, you need to search for WA Messenger. You need to WA Messenger, type that onto the search bar. And you will see extension WA Messenger extension. What you need to do is simply go there and tap on add to Chrome, and again add extension, and it will take some time to be added onto the screen. And from here, after installation, you can simply go and tap on the turn and sync. You need to tap on the turn and sync, and yes, I am in. All right guys, after that simply go to the after that you need to go to the WhatsApp, and then from here you will see the extension option right over here. Tap on that, and you need to tap on the WA bulk messenger sender to pin, like this. Tap on this icon and it will be pinned. Then reload this page. So now tap on this icon right over here. It will take us to the point where you need to add the numbers, like add the numbers with the country code. So let's just add the numbers. So you can simply upload make it upgrade to the premium version for more messages, like you can send up to 50 message per day in the free plan. But if you want more, then you can simply update it right now. So let's get started with the numbers. So if we just type in like the numbers, let's get start many numbers, I don't know, just go with this, and again you need to send comma and it will be like one number. Then again you need to type another number. Then what you can simply do, you can simply add a message for yourself like hello, and then you can simply tap on the send and it will be sent to the person that you have added to this contact. So I hope this video might help you out in many ways. Just feel free to leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not. So I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day. Peace out.